How to reduce belly fat overnight. Everyone has some amount of belly fat, even those with flat abdomens. It's natural. However, an excessive amount can be more detrimental to health than other fat types. Being overweight doesn't necessarily equate to poor health. There are many overweight individuals in perfect health. Similarly, there are slim individuals with metabolic health concerns. The surface fat, which lies just under the skin, primarily poses cosmetic concerns. The real culprit is the fat stored in the abdominal cavity, commonly referred to as belly fat. This fat doesn't just affect your appearance, it's also associated with numerous health issues and can be challenging to shed. Thus, belly fat isn't merely an aesthetic concern, it's a potential health risk. Wondering how it poses health risks? Let's delve into that. Some fat is there right under your skin, while other is deep inside around your organs, liver, heart, lungs. This type of fat is called visceral fat, and this is the very type which is bad even for slim people. Well, don't get disappointed so fast. We do need some of visceral fat though. Guess why? Yes, because it acts as cushions around your organs, but again, you should know the measure because too much of it can cause high blood pressure, heart diseases, and even some types of cancers. Now, how to know if you have too much of belly fat? There's a straightforward way to do it. Get a measuring tape and put it around your waist. Did it? Now you can check your girth. Keep in mind that you should do it while you are in standing position, not sitting. Okay, it will be easier if you start and finish at your belly button. That will give you measurements that are more precise. Now, if you are a woman and your waist size is less than 35 inches, relax, everything is fine. However, if it is more than 35 inches, then you definitely should consider this diet secret of which you're going to reveal very soon. And if you are a man, then the waist size less than 40 inches sounds pretty okay. While more than 40 inches should alarm you, and the diet would be a good way out. Moreover, there are two types of shapes, a pear size when the hips and thighs are bigger than your waistline, and an apple size when your waistline is wider than your hips and thighs. In fact, a pear size is considered safer than an apple size. Why? An apple size shows that you have too much of belly fat, which means that you have too much of visceral fat in your body. So if your measurements show that you have too much of extra fat around your waistline, even if you're not obese or heavy, then you should consider some ways to say goodbye to it. Sounds like an uphill task, huh? Don't give up that fast. You'll be surprised to know that this task can be accomplished within one day. In this video, we are going to show you an outstandingly effective and quick way to lose belly fat. And not only it, have you ever tried dieting before? Probably yes. Therefore, you know how exhausting it might be. This diet will not only make your belly flash, but also it will help you to lose unnecessary weight and burn those nasty calories. Moreover, you'll get a purified body as a result. Intrigued, the diet consists of smoothies, juices, and teas. An extra amazing thing for tea lovers. All this stuff acts as a drink detox that additionally cleanses your body very fast. That will give you a boost of energy, and the most important thing is that you will know the way of getting a flat stomach and will be able to use it whenever it is required. So, are you ready to hear the most amazing diet ever? Here's how you can do it. You should start right in the morning. 8 a.m. Drink a glass of warm water with some lemon juice in it. Good start. After a couple of hours, take another glass of warm water with apple or orange juice in it. Do you find it interesting? Then at noon, get yourself a cup of green tea. Not bad. After an hour, you should drink a glass of cold water with carrot juice in it. At 3:00 p.m., take a cup of your favorite tea. Do you like it so far? At 5 p.m., have a glass of your favorite juice. That might be your favorite part of the diet after another couple of hours. Take one more cup of green tea. At 9 p.m., grab a glass of water with grapefruit juice in it. We are almost there. Finally, after another hour at 10 p.m., you should finish the diet the way you started it. Have a glass of warm water with some lemon juice in it. The important thing is that you're not supposed to add any artificial ingredients to your drinks. It's probably hard to believe, but your tummy will become flat in just 24 hours. Moreover, your body will get rid of all the toxins. So what are you waiting for? Let's start it tomorrow. Don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. Hit the like button below the video and click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.